Anna was a young girl who lived in a small, quiet town. She had a big dream: to speak English fluently. She wanted to talk with friends from other countries, watch English movies without subtitles, and feel confident at work. But every time she tried to speak English, her words came out slowly. She paused. She stumbled. Her sentences sounded strange. Anna felt frustrated. Why was speaking English so hard? One sunny morning, Anna sat at her desk, staring at her English textbook. She had studied for months. She knew many words. She understood grammar rules. But when she tried to talk, her brain froze. She thought in her mother tongue first, then tried to translate to English. This took time, too much time, and it made her sound unsure.
For example, Anna wanted to say, "I'm hungry." In her language, the way to say this was similar to "I have hunger." So when she spoke in English, she said, "I have hunger," instead of "I am hungry." It didn't sound right. Her friends smiled kindly, but Anna knew her English wasn't good yet. She wanted to change that. One evening, Anna joined an online chat with her friend Sarah, who lived in England. Sarah typed, "How are you today?" Anna wanted to reply, "I'm fine, thank you." But in her mind, she thought in her mother tongue first. She paused, trying to find the right words. By the time she typed her answer, Sarah had moved on to another topic. Anna felt embarrassed. "Why can't I speak English faster?" she thought. "Why do I always translate in my head?" The next day, Anna decided to find answers. She searched online for tips to improve her English. She found a video by an English teacher named Mr. Lee. He said, "If you want to speak English fluently, stop thinking in your mother tongue. Think in English instead. Translating kills your fluency and messes up your grammar." Anna nodded. That was her problem. She was always translating. But how could she stop? Mr. Lee shared 5 simple ways to train the brain to think in English. Anna grabbed a notebook and wrote them down. She was excited. "I can do this," she thought. "I'll try all 5 ways."
Step 1. Label everything. The first tip was to label everything around her in English. Mr. Lee said, "Put English words on objects in your house. This makes English part of your life." Anna liked this idea. It sounded fun and easy. She grabbed some sticky notes and a pen. She walked around her room. On her lamp, she stuck a note that said lamp. On her door, she wrote door. On her cup, she wrote cup. She labelled her bed, her chair, her window, and even her mirror. Everywhere she looked, she saw English words. At first, Anna thought in her mother tongue when she saw objects. For example, when she saw her lamp, her brain said the word for lamp in her language. But after a few days, something changed. When she looked at the lamp, her brain said lamp. She didn't translate anymore. The English word came first. Anna smiled. This is working, she thought. She started labeling more things. Her kitchen was full of sticky notes: fridge, spoon, plate, sink. Every time she saw a note, her brain connected the object to the English word. It felt natural. English was becoming part of her life. One day, Anna's friend Maria visited. Maria saw the sticky notes and laughed. "Why is your house covered in words?" she asked. Anna explained, "I'm training my brain to think in English. It's helping me." Maria was curious. "Can I try it too?" she asked. Anna gave her some sticky notes. Soon, Maria's house was covered in English words too.
Step 2. Narrate your day.
The second tip was to narrate her daily life in English. Mr. Lee said, "Talk about what you're doing, like you're the main character in a story. Use simple English words." Anna thought this sounded a bit silly, but she wanted to try. The next morning, Anna started narrating. As she brushed her teeth, she said, "I am brushing my teeth. This is my toothbrush. It's blue." As she made breakfast, she said, "I am making eggs. The pan is hot. I like eggs." At first, she felt strange talking to herself, but soon it became fun. Anna narrated everything. When she walked to the store, she said, "I am walking. The sun is bright. The store is near." When she watched TV, she said, "I am watching TV. This show is funny. I like this actor." The more she narrated, the easier it got. Her brain started thinking in English without translating. One day, Anna was narrating while washing dishes. "This is a plate. It's dirty. I am cleaning it," she said. Her brother overheard and laughed. "Are you talking to the dishes?" he asked. Anna blushed, but explained, "I'm practicing English. It's helping me think in English." Her brother shrugged. "You're a little crazy, but that's cool," he said. Anna kept narrating every day. She noticed something amazing. When she picked up a spoon, her brain said, "spoon," not the word in her mother tongue. When she drank coffee, she thought, "I am drinking coffee. It's hot." She didn't translate anymore. Her English was getting faster.
Step 3. Talk to yourself.
The third tip was to talk to herself in English, like she was having a conversation. Mr. Lee said, "Imagine situations and talk about them in English. Don't worry if it feels weird. It's okay to be a little crazy to learn English." Anna decided to try it. One afternoon, she sat in her room and pretended to talk to a friend. "Hi, how are you?
I'm going to the store today. I need a new shirt. It's hot outside, so I want a light shirt. She imagined her friend replying, and she answered, "Oh, you're going to the park. That sounds fun. I like parks." At first, Anna felt shy, even though no one was there. But she kept going. She imagined all kinds of situations. One day, she pretended she was at a job interview. "Hello, my name is Anna. I'm a teacher. I like helping people learn," she said. Another day, she imagined she was on a date. "Hi, I'm Anna. I like books and movies. What do you like?" she practiced. Talking to herself helped Anna feel more confident. She wasn't afraid of making mistakes because no one heard her. If she said something wrong, she tried again. For example, she once said, "I go to store," but then corrected herself, "I am going to the store." Little by little, her sentences got better. One day, Anna was talking to herself in the park. "I'm walking. The trees are green. I see a dog. It's cute," she said quietly. A woman nearby overheard and smiled. "Your English is good," she said. Anna was surprised. "Thank you. I'm practicing," she replied. The woman nodded. "Keep it up. Talking to yourself is smart." Anna felt proud. Maybe she wasn't so crazy after all.
Step 4. Keep a journal.
The fourth tip was to write a journal in English every day. Mr. Lee said, "Write about your day for 5 to 10 minutes. Use simple sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Just write." Anna bought a small notebook. That night, she wrote, "Today I woke up at 7. I ate eggs and bread. I studied English for 30 minutes. I watched a funny video. Now I am writing. I feel happy." Her sentences were short, but they were in English. She didn't translate. She just wrote what she thought. The next day, Anna wrote again. "Today, I went to the store. I bought a shirt. It's blue. I talked to Sarah online. She is nice." Writing felt easy. Anna didn't need to think fast like when speaking. She could take her time to choose the right words. Every night, Anna wrote in her journal. Some days, she wrote about simple things. "I drank coffee. It was good." Other days, she wrote about her feelings. "I am tired today. Work was hard, but I learned new English words." Writing helped her brain think in English. She started noticing English words in her mind during the day, not her mother tongue. One day, Anna read her old journal entries. She saw mistakes like "I go store" instead of "I went to the store." But she also saw progress. Her sentences were longer now. Her grammar was better. "I'm improving," she thought. Writing every day made her feel proud.
Step 5. Break bad habits. The fifth tip was to break habits that kept Anna thinking in her mother tongue. Mr. Lee said, "Some habits make you translate. Stop them. Use English everywhere." He listed 4 bad habits to avoid. First, Anna stopped watching movies with subtitles in her mother tongue. Before, she watched English movies but read subtitles in her language. Her brain ignored the English words
and focused on the subtitles. Now she watched movies with English subtitles. It was hard at first. She didn't understand everything. But slowly she started hearing English words and connecting them to the subtitles. Her listening got better. Second, Anna stopped taking notes in her mother tongue. When she learned a new word, like bird, she used to write its meaning in her language. Now she used an English-to-English dictionary. For bird, she wrote, a small animal with wings, or she drew a picture of a bird. This helped her think in English, not translate. Third, Anna stopped using a translation dictionary. Before, she translated every new word into her mother tongue. Now, she used an online dictionary, like Cambridge. If she didn't understand a word, like cacophony, she read the English definition, a loud, unpleasant sound. She also wrote an example. The cacophony of car horns is annoying. This kept her brain in English. Fourth, Anna stopped translating sentences in her head. When she heard an English sentence, like, "It's a nice day," she used to translate it to her mother tongue to understand it. Now, she tried to understand it directly. At first, it was slow, but soon her brain got faster. She heard, "It's a nice day," and thought, "Yes, it is," in English. Anna's progress. After weeks of practicing these 5 tips, Anna noticed a big change. She spoke English faster. She didn't pause as much. Her grammar was better. One day, she called Sarah on video chat. "Hi, Sarah. I'm good today. I went to the park. It was fun," Anna said. Sarah smiled. "Wow, Anna, your English is so much better." Anna beamed. "Thank you. I'm practicing every day." Anna kept labeling things, narrating her day, talking to herself, writing in her journal, and avoiding bad habits. She wasn't perfect yet, but she was improving. She felt confident. She knew she was on her way to fluency. One evening, Anna sat in her room, looking at the sticky notes on her lamp and cup. She wrote in her journal, "Today I spoke English with Sarah. I didn't translate. I thought in English. I'm happy. I'm getting better." She smiled. Her dream was coming true, one word at a time.